Yes, we've got Storm Freya, which is going to bring some fairly strong winds on Sunday across the southwest. Now, we've actually had quite a fine day today. We saw a lot of sunshine first thing. We've had more clouds start to push in over the last few hours, and that heralds a weather front that's going to make its way in over the weekend. So an unsettled weekend. Saturday definitely the better of the 2 days, as Sunday it is going to be windy and we'll see some rain or showers. Now you can see that cloud starting to push in from the west, so the rain just arriving into the Isles of Scilly at the moment, and as we head through the next 24 hours that rain will push in from the west. That's in association with this cold front that's going to make its way in tonight. A bit of a ridge tomorrow will give some settled conditions before we see more rain start to push in through Saturday night and into Sunday, and it's Sunday itself we're keeping our eyes on. This weather front waves, so it tends to push some rain across the top of us on Sunday, and you can see this area of low pressure. This is Storm Freya, and this is going to give some fairly strong winds. We've got a weather warning out for the strength of the winds. Inland we could see gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour. Along the coast it could be 80. I think the peak of the winds will be Sunday night into Monday. Out there at the moment, we have got that rain just starting to push in from the west. It does clear through quite quickly, so I think we'll see a dry end to the night, an awful lot of cloud tonight, and it will be quite low, so some mist, some hill fog. Temperatures though on the mild side down at 8 or 9 degrees. For tomorrow then, I think we will see a fine start to the day. A lot of sunshine before we start to see that cloud pushing in association with that cold front. But I think for most of us, bar the far west, it will be dry through daylight hours. That rain just starting to edge into the Isles of Scilly towards the latter part of the afternoon. But it is going to be a breezy afternoon, a fairly cloudy one, and mild. Temperatures up at around 12 degrees. Now, I think the Isles of Scilly will start off bright with some sunshine. That rain will start to edge in towards the later part of the day, so we'll see some rain, I think, by the end of the afternoon, and those winds will start to increase as well. Here are our times of high water then. We've got roughly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. In terms of our surf, these are the conditions likely through the morning. Slightly choppier along the north coast with bigger waves here. Those winds will tend to pick the surf up a little bit, so I think the longer you leave it through tomorrow, the bigger the waves are going to be. For our inshore waters then, initially they are southwest 5 to 7, but they will become cyclonic and gust gale 8 or 9 later on through the day tomorrow towards the evening, and we'll see the visibility good, occasionally poor. So we have got quite a bit of weather happening on Sunday. Here's that weather front. It really does stall across the top of us, so giving us a lot of rain through the day on Sunday. Not only this, we'll see the winds pick up, and the winds actually increasing once the bulk of the rain clears. So I think the peak winds will be later on Sunday night and into Monday. Again, we could see widely gale force gusts, perhaps even 60 to 70 miles an hour. So an unsettled end to the weekend, an unsettled day on Monday, very windy on Monday as well, with further showers. It does start to feel that little bit cooler. Fingers crossed though, we should see a slightly drier end to the week. Back to you.